Hey friends, if you wish to fix error 0x8007016A, the cloud file provider is not running on OneDrive, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open the services window. Now you can scroll down to the cloud backup and restore service. Right click on it and start it if it is not started, and if it is, then you can restart it. Okay, and then if this doesn't help, then open OneDrive and open your browser and search for OneDrive server status. Now go to this website, which is status.cloud.microsoft.com, which is the official website. Okay, wait for a while because it needs time to load. And meanwhile, we will perform another solution. So we will click on the OneDrive icon and then we will select settings. We'll go to settings. We will go to the sync and backup page, which is the default page. Scroll down, select advanced settings. Scroll down and then click on download all files and then click on continue. Okay, it will need a while to download all the files, but when it does that, basically you're using this file on demand feature, and right now all the products are operational, so we get a green tick here. But if not, then you will have to wait till the server is back. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.